What is going on, my beautiful dolls and divos? You see the before. So we are taking out this installation. This time we're going to be using a foundation support to eliminate the sliding back. So when you're handling clients who have fine edges, who suffer from alopecia, sometimes you will, let the client assist you with the application. And even though I might have an alternative, method, I like to go ahead and give my clients what they require and what they desire. So right now, we're going ahead and creating the foundation. We're going to be using this foundation support. And yeah, so go ahead and make sure that you are following your girl, liking, commenting, subscribing. Right now, I'm just sizing it up. And yeah, so we're going to go ahead and put this on. This will help the extensions not move back. The wind can blow. Your area of concern will not be exposed. This is not a foundation support that I use for every installation. Again, every alopecia client has something different going on and may require different applications. So we do not want to go ahead and pull any more from the areas of concern. So this is going to stabilize her extensions and trust the process. Now, I know it looks like, oh my gosh, this is so uncomfortable. It's not. It's just tedious, okay? Just tedious, child. But anyway, with this application, it's lined with silk underneath. It's very comfortable. Make sure that you are getting any type of foundation support with somebody who is trained to do so. Okay, you can go ahead and get it online all you want. But guess what? The application is key. Now, the only downside to that foundation support is that it's much more difficult to be able to tend to that area of concern, even though the layer is, transparent, even though it's grids and holes in it. With the netting, with the foundation support, with the closure and extensions, it ain't easy to put no daggone hair growth serum with this application. But again, she's suffering from some forms of multiple different alopecia. So we're going to go ahead and be in accepting where she's at and give her the illusion that she desires. We cleaning that nape area because she don't want it there, so ain't no point. We're going to go ahead and use this cap method to go ahead and give me the ability to put this 5x5 on. You see it. Make sure you go on my Instagram, Dolls and Divos, so you can go ahead and see me every day, every other day, daily content, all that good jazz. And if you are interested in getting this application or any different alopecia solutions, go on www.officialposhhair.com. We flipping over and over. We using True Glory. This is her second installation with this hair. It is 12 inches. It is a body wave. Good quality hair. Trust the process. Trust the process. So, we just going back and forth, nothing special, doing the flip method. This helps with alleviating a lot of shedding, and I am multitasking. So you're going to see me look at the front of her head because I am applying a little bit of Bold Holder. No, I use Ghost Bond this time. Ghost Bond. And I applied that on. Remember, I used that stocking cap, so it's not going to be on her hairline. That is a protective barrier. Go ahead, put your little dots on. You know how to do that, dolls and divos. Nothing special, nothing new, okay? We're going to do 3 layers, and this is going to give her even more added security to make sure that she's in there like swimwear. Thanks to all my subscribers. Thank you for always watching with your girl. I am doing great this month. I'm getting ahead of time, able to batch content, so I'm able to go ahead and, be consistent. Every Wednesday, you're going to get a new video. We drop it at 2 o'clock, sometimes 2:30, but normally at 2 o'clock. I'm using my 2-inch Babe Bliss. I love it. It's on its last freaking leg. You see it, it ain't going nowhere. We're going to get a close-up. We're going to get a close-up. But I wanted to give her that Oprah, that waterfall, that body, yaddy, yaddy, okay? Now, with her closure, we did not bleach any knots. In order for me to bleach my clients' knots, they got to let me know 4 or 5 days ahead of time. It's automatically included when I get my hairline. So it is flawless. But don't be like, Taneasha, I can see that. Guess what? This is why her closure lasts her 2-3 installation. So sometimes when you make that closure bone, when you want to bleach the needs for blood, okay, be prepared to switch out your closures more often. Everybody has their own preference, so do not be coming for me in the comments. I know what to do. Everybody likes what they like. Anyway, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell and all that good jazz. And guess what? Your girl gonna be on YouTube a little bit more often. We got some shorts coming. We got some hair audits coming. If you are interested in me going ahead and getting through what's going on with your hair growth journey, your hair goals, make sure you leave, a message in the comment section. And voila. This is so beautiful for it to be its second installation. I'm happy with the turnout. Let's get a close-up. Let's get a close-up. You see it, giving her natural, beautiful, full, voluptuous hair. Giving her natural scalp. You cannot even tell she has a weave buddy hair foundation. Always put yourself first. Until next time, deuces.